Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav's younger son Dr. Abhimanyu Yadav will marry Dr. Ishita from Khargone in a special mass wedding ceremony on November 30th. Preparations are in full swing in Ujjain, where 2 hotels have been booked for the 5 days program. Some rituals will take place at the CM house, while others will be held at Hotel Atharv. The wedding rituals, including the feras, will be conducted at the mass wedding venue near Hotel. Some select dignitaries have been invited, and the reception will also take place at Hotel Atharv. A shocking mobile theft case involving Deputy CM Rajendra Shukla's PA Sudhir Dubey has been solved in Bhopal. 2 minors from the Irani gang were arrested for snatching his phone, which was sold to a Lucknow criminal within hours. Police recovered the mobile from a moving train. Investigation revealed the accused had over 10 stolen phones. Officials say the case shows how juveniles are getting involved in organized crime networks. Security has been tightened in areas prone to such snatching incidents. A Delhi-based commissioner of Metro Rail Safety Team conducted a surprise inspection of the Bhopal Metro on Thursday. Officials first reviewed the system and safety measures at the Subhash Nagar depot, followed by a track inspection in the afternoon. This marks the third and final stage of safety check before clearance for passenger services. Excitement is building as Bhopal residents hope for the official metro launch soon. The inspection focuses on ensuring complete safety before operation begins. The Election Commission has frozen transfer of all officers working on voter list update, including District Collector. The special intensive revision of Madhya Pradesh electoral rolls is currently in progress. Transfer will only be allowed after February 7 when the final list is released. The step aims to maintain consistency and accuracy in voter data. All field officers will remain in their current posting until the process is completed to ensure error-free electoral rolls across the state. The NDA has registered a landslide victory in the Bihar Assembly elections, leading on 202 of 243 seats. The Mahagathbandhan is trailing far behind with 37 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called it a win for good governance. In Madhya Pradesh, the BJP celebrated the victory with fireworks, sweets and slogans. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav joined party workers in Indore to mark the joyous moment. Party offices across MP were filled with music, drums and patriotic chants. A major mystery has unfolded in Jabalpur involving 57 horses brought from Hyderabad in May 2025. Shockingly, 19 horses have died so far, and now 14 more are missing from the Raipura farmhouse where they were kept. During a counting check by the Animal Husbandry Department, officials discovered the disappearance. The case is already pending in the Madhya Pradesh High Court. The purpose behind bringing the horse to Jabalpur remain unclear, and earlier investigations ordered by the Collector Deepak Saxena failed to provide complete information. The matter remains under scrutiny. Bageshwar Dham Peethadeshwar Pandit Dhirendra Krishna Shastri Sanatan Ekta Padyatra reached its 8th day, but his health worsened for the third consecutive day. Suffering from fever, low blood pressure and breathing difficulty, he had to lie down on the road to rest. Devotees were seen fanning him with towel. Earlier in Mathura, strongman leader Raja Bhaiya was seen walking beside him, holding his hand and chanting slogans. Harsha Richaria, who gained attention during the Mahakumbh, also joined the Yatra. Concern continued to grow over Shastri's recurring health issues. The 78th Alami Tablighi Ijtema began today in Bhopal's Eid Kheri village after the Fajr prayer. The fourth day event, running from November 14 to 17, is among the largest Islamic congregation globally. Near 12 lakhs participants are expected this year. Devotees from 19 countries including Indonesia, Kenya, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Iran and Morocco have already arrived. Thousands more continue to pour in. Large-scale preparations have been made for accommodation, traffic management, food and security. Spiritual speeches, prayer and religious teaching will continue throughout the gathering. Winter arrived unusually early in Madhya Pradesh, breaking several November temperature records. Shivpuri recorded the lowest temperature at 8 degrees Celsius on Thursday, Friday night. Bhopal and Indore also saw temperature rise slightly but still stay below 10 degrees Celsius. According to the Meteorological Department, Bhopal recorded 9.6, almost similar to Hill Station. Indore stood at 8.2, while Jabalpur recorded 9.4. Gwalior 10.5 and Ujjain 11.8 degrees Celsius. For the past week, temperatures have hovered around 8 degrees Celsius, leading to a strong cold wave across the state.